Why is it that some people work tirelessly but never seem to get ahead? They're not lazy, they're not unintelligent, but something is holding them back, something invisible. These are the silent killers. They don't look like failures. They feel like normal habits, but left unchecked, they systematically destroy your potential. Here are the 7 silent killers of success, and I guarantee at least one is lurking in your life. Quick disclaimer. This video challenges habits, not people. Use it for honest reflection, course correct with compassion, and choose better actions starting today. This isn't about judging your journey. It's about giving you the awareness to course correct and unlock the success you deserve. The first silent killer is the comfortable mediocrity. This isn't about being lazy. It's the silent acceptance of good enough. It's choosing the ease of a predictable routine over the temporary discomfort of growth. Your brain is wired to conserve energy, so it will always steer you toward the path of least resistance. The problem? All growth happens outside your comfort zone. If you're not actively pushing your boundaries, you're passively accepting a ceiling on your potential. Killer number 2 is the invisible energy drain. Success requires immense mental and emotional energy, but we leak this energy every day on things that don't matter. Doom scrolling through bad news, engaging in gossip, complaining without seeking solutions, or tolerating toxic relationships. You end up so mentally exhausted that you have no creative energy left for the work that actually matters. Protect your mind like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. The third killer is deceptively productive. Motion without progress. You're always busy. Your to-do list is checked off. Your calendar is full, but are you moving toward your true goals? Busy work is a form of laziness because it allows us to avoid the few, critically important tasks that create real progress. Don't confuse activity with achievement. Are you sharpening the axe or just constantly swinging a dull one? Here it is, the one most people ignore, the fixed mindset virus. This is the deep-seated belief that your abilities are static. You think, I'm not a math person, or I'm just bad at public speaking. This killer murders opportunity before it even has a chance. I'm just not good at this. That's not how I am. A growth mindset, on the other hand, believes abilities can be developed. Every expert was once a beginner. When you catch yourself saying, I can't, add the word yet. This small shift is a powerful antidote. Growth is built, not born. When you hit friction, say, not yet, and keep going. Study a model, practice small daily reps, seek feedback, and track tiny wins. Skills compound like interest. Focus on effort, strategy, and persistence. If you commit to deliberate practice, today's ceiling becomes tomorrow's floor. Keep iterating, and progress becomes inevitable. Killer number 5 is the unclear why. You're chasing goals society told you to want. A nicer car, a bigger title, more money. But if your heart isn't in it, you'll burn out the moment things get difficult. Your why is your fuel. Without a compelling reason that connects to your core values, you have no resilience. Why do you want to be successful? If your answer is vague, your results will be too. The 6th killer is the dream killer, the perfectionism trap. Waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect conditions. Perfectionism is just fear in disguise. Fear of judgment, fear of failure. It paralyzes you. But done is better than perfect. A mediocre project you've shipped is infinitely more valuable than a perfect one that exists only in your head. Embrace iteration, not perfection. The final silent killer is the lone wolf illusion. The belief that you have to do it all yourself, that asking for help is a sign of weakness. This is ego, and it will cap your success. No one who has ever achieved anything significant did it completely alone. Mentors, coaches, a supportive peer group. They provide perspective, accelerate your learning, and lift you up when you fall. Your network is your net worth. The good news? Every killer has an antidote. Awareness is the first step. Which of these resonated most with you? Call it out in the comments. The path to success isn't about adding more. It's often about removing these hidden roadblocks. If this video gave you a moment of clarity, pay it forward. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Like the video to help us reach more people, and subscribe for more content that doesn't just motivate you, but gives you a real strategy. Now go and slay those silent killers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for weekly, practical mindset upgrades. Comment which killer you'll tackle first, then pick your next video on screen. Share this with someone leveling up beside you.